Hello team, Chelsea's Tech 874. I am out in McHenry. Homeowners looking to get most likely a full system. Existing AC units are 32 plus years old. Furnaces is only about 8 or 9 years old. Two systems in the home. One's in the attic. We are currently in the basement. Existing 21-inch cabinet. It is a high efficiency. So some PVC pipes. 88,000 BTU. Your return drop is coming in at 25 by 10. Existing filter is 1625 by 1. As we kind of walk around. Humidifier just as old as the AC unit, so 30 plus years. Homeowner has taken really good care of it, changed out the filters annually. Most likely looking to replace the humidifier as well. And supplies. Okay, real quick with the humidifier, there is a saddle valve over there, so that'll be updated to an angle stop. And then your supplies, you have two 6-inch round supplies here, and you have a bigger supply trunk here that's 30 by 8. Okay, we are in the basement. This is pretty much your work zone. Carpeted floors. Stairs that'll take you upstairs. I will find out if there's another access point in the basement. And then those doors over there, the closet, that's where your electric panel is. It's Siemens. It's there's no spare circuits. Both of the AC units, they both are double pole, 40 amps on each. Existing AC units are both 3-ton. All right. That's about it, guys. Chelsea's Tech 874 out.